Hi everyone, and thanks for joining me today for another Destash episode. Today we have fabrics, and I have sorted them out into several packs. They are £10 a pack, but that includes postage. So let me show you what we have. This is pack number 1, so if you're interested, please let me know. By the way, that is only to the UK. Unfortunately, these are going to be too heavy to probably post anywhere else. So if you're interested, just let me know which pack you would like. And yeah, so that's all there is to it. So I'm going to just show you what you get in each pack. So this is the first one, and there are lots and lots of different patterns, and it's quite heavyweight fabric. This is. So I'm just going to hold them up and show you them so that, so yeah, they're £10, but that is with postage. So you have nothing more to pay, and obviously PayPal take out that little bit as well. So, not really making much back, but at least it's something. And I'm destashing, aren't I? So yeah, I didn't realise that even if you request friend money, they still yeah, take a fee out. Nasty PayPal. Oh, I like this one here. That's lovely fabric. I don't know how many pieces there are in here. I haven't actually counted them, but there are quite a few. And you know, these are smaller pieces. I have bigger pieces of fabric coming up, so keep watching. If small pieces are not what you're looking for, I have pieces that are big enough to cover journals, and that is actually why I got them in the first place. But I just have too many that it's not even funny. But you know, you can have a lot of fun with these fabric pieces. You know, you can even make like little books, cover little journals. I mean, this in itself, you could just cover a little you know, little notebook or something. So let me just nearly through this one. As you can see, you will be spoilt for choice with this fabric pack. So we're nearly through the first one. I mean, look, you could, this is lovely. It's almost like upholstery fabric, sorry about that. And this one's even bigger. So I mean, I got them to cover journals, and this one, look at this one, but just it's that lovely, oh yummy fabric. So that is pack number 1. So let me put them to one side so I do not get them messed up. Now these pieces, this is fabric pack number 2. These are really big pieces of fabric. So you know, if you're looking at covering journals or making bags from them or something, this is just a gorgeous, I don't know if you can see this properly, it's like an ivory silky satin piece. Don't ask me how big it is, because I can't measure them all. It would take me forever. So that's the first piece, and then we have this gorgeous floral piece. And again, this is like heavier fabric. I don't know my fabrics very well. Look at this lovely silky gold, yummy, yum yum. This would make a gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous cover to a journal, and this one as well. Look how vibrant and gorgeous this piece is. I love this. I should have kept this, because I would have actually have used that as the front of a journal, but it's too late now, Channelle. Look how gorgeous that would have been on the front of a journal. I should have kept that one. And then we have a stripy piece, a couple of stripy pieces coming up. So that's that one. And then we have this one. And then this one here. And then I think these are the same but different colour. So you've got pink variation of that one, and as you can see, even on my widescreen, They're still too big for the shot. Look at these. Aren't they gorgeous? As you can see, they are very big pieces. And then you have this gorgeous red one, just about fits in shot. And then another stripy piece like that. Oh, look, there's another one of these. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Look at that. I love this one. This is actually gorgeous. Oh, and there's a butterfly. Look, should have kept that. Right, so that is pack number 2. Oh, let's pop that there. Then we have pack number 3. So there's lots of flowery ones in here. So not as big pieces, but still, look, that's big enough to cover a journal. It's got birdies on. And I think this one has got birds on as well. And this is just a flowery pattern. Oh, sorry, Charles, am I making you sneeze? And then this is lovely. They have lovely feel about this fabric. That's almost got a sheen on it. Make gorgeous pages as well. Oh, it's got like a silky sheen on. I love this one. This is gorgeous. This has got a lovely colour to it. And this one has like a crocheted pattern on it. It's like embroidered and it's in like raised. You can see it. This is gorgeous, this one. This would be lovely. Look at that. Love it. And this one here. And then there's another one. And then this one has all postmarks on. I mean, just to give you an idea, just to give you an idea, how big these pieces are. This one is about 14 inches by 12. So just to give you an idea how big, this one is even bigger. This is beautiful. Look at that. Oh, love it, love it, love it. That one's gorgeous. And then there's this lovely peach colour. You'd get a couple out of this one. And that's got like a, it's got bits of other fabric on, but they're not marks. They're just bits of fluff. But that's got a lovely, almost like raised leaf, shiny pattern. So that's pack number 3. Oh, okay. Then I have, this is a gorgeous pack. This is pack number 4, and this one is a real treat actually, because this is all like luxury fabrics, and it's got a lovely sheen to it, this lovely gold fabric, and then you've got this lovely striped, as you can see it's all shimmery, shiny. Most of these pieces are lovely, shiny, shimmery, gorgeous. And this sort of Renaissance kind of fabric, or pattern I should say. And you have a lovely, look at that, how gorgeous. Oh, look, oh my goodness. It doesn't even look like fabric, but it is fabric, I promise you. This is a little bit thinner than the last lot of fabric. Oh, look at that. Oh, I just don't have enough time to do what I wanted to do with them. Trust me, I hunted these down high and low, and they just sat there, and I thought, you know what, Channelle? Get rid of it. Sell it. Look at the colours of these. Oh, this is beautiful. Lovely pink. It doesn't look like fabric, does it? But it is. This one is stunning. I think this is going to be the first pack to go, I can tell you. Because it's just... oh, it's delicious. And these pieces are roughly the same size. So just, if he doesn't attack me, they are, get off, 12 by, about 12 by, pack it in. Ow, he got me. Little Nearly swore then. No, I didn't swear. I wasn't going to swear. Oh, just lovely, isn't it? Look at these. Look, I just didn't have enough time to do the things I wanted to do with these. These would just be gorgeous on the front of a journal, and then with a picture, and then decorate the edge up. And oh, I wanted to do so much with this. Right, so this was pack number, I can't remember, we're on pack 4. One, 2, 3, 4. I think this is pack number 4. Oh, look, 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 look. And there's a couple of floral pieces here. And that one there. And then there's this lovely, this is almost see-through kind of fabric. It's got like this almost a voile sort of feel to it. And then another shimmery, shiny piece as well, like that. So that's pack number 4. And then 2 more packs to go. Let me just grab this one. Right, this is pack number 5. Right, okay, so this is a beautiful piece. Look at this. Oh, look at that gorgeous flower there. These are quite big pieces actually. Look at how vibrant this fabric is. Just gorgeous. That's a huge piece actually. And then you've got these. Oh, I love this one. I love it all. I love it all. I love it all. Look how beautiful they are with the flowers on. Look. Right. There. And then this is again like that voile sort of feel. It's got a lovely, lovely, gorgeous feel to that. And then we've got some gorgeous florals again. And another gorgeous floral. This is just a plain piece. It's almost like, oh, it's not. It's got a, I was going to say it's a plain piece. It's actually got, this is stuck on like a, oh, what do you want to call it? Oh, I don't know. I can't think. But that's actually got a stuck on piece. Okay, didn't see that one. And then this is quite lightweight. With a couple of pieces like that. And then this is heavier. Heavier. Lovely leaves on it. And it's very similar, these pieces are, but just in different sort of colours. Yes, okay. That. Like that. And then it's a very colourful piece, isn't it? And then a stripy one. Right, so that was pack number 5. And then the last pack, this is very gorgeous fabric. It's very heavy, like crushed velvet sort of feel on it, and raised. This is all raised. It's all absolutely stunning fabric. Look at that. Oh, it's just got a lovely feel. Look at this one. How, oh my gosh, look at this. This is just too delicious. This is just too delicious. This one is. And look at this green. It's just too yummy. That is just too yummy, that is. Let me just unfold these pieces, and this black and gold. And it's again got, all of this has this crushed velvet feel. Raised. Oh, it's just beautiful. Look at that. I mean, these are all just bits of fabric on there. They will come off. And you've got black and gold again. Piece. and a dark green. Oh, lovely. I'll fold that in half. And then you've got like this red. It's all just fabric pieces on there, trust me. Oh, look at that. It's sumptuous. Sumptuous is the word. And look at this one. Oh, can you see that? Can you see how plush and gorgeous? Oh my gosh, that would just make a gorgeous front cover for a journal. Look at that. You'd be like, oh, I like that. And this is the last piece, like this. It's just beautiful. Right, so that was number 6. So there are 6 packs. If you just tell me which one, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 that you're wanting, they're £10, and that is with postage. So only £10 to pay, but only in the UK. I am so sorry, I just think they're too heavy to be sending aboard. So just let me know. Email me at craftfairyfreebies@gmail.com or message in the comments below that you would like whatever pack, and I will get them sent off to you. So thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.